the Wi-Fi went out. I guess I can go outside. Let's see what's outside. I guess I can go for a walk. Wait, didn't I catch a bird in my backpack before? Let me see. I have lots of pets. Yes, I did catch a bird. Oh my god. Oh my god, the bird follows me now. I think it knows how I go. I think that's nature. The bird is going. Bird, we have to win in the race coming up tomorrow. But it's kind of disgusting. Do you agree? I'm just gonna go back inside. Go back in my backpack. I'm going inside. It's my house. Do I not have a house? Where's my house? Hello? Do I have a house? Hello, house? Yes, here's my house. My house. House.